Asek, unahin ko na po na kumustahin ang kalagayan ng ating kababayan na si Gumangan. Kamusta na po ba ito?
Ang balita po namin, we have confirmed information na si Mr. Gumangan ay prisoner of war sa Ukraine. And based on information available to us, he was serving with the Russian Armed Forces. Nanghingi na rin po tayo sa mga otoridad ng additional information about him. Pero ang gaya nga ng nasabi ko sa mga ibang interview, this is a complicated process. The Filipino fighters are in war zones at hindi po partido ang Pilipinas sa conflict na ito. So any release or repatriation of a prisoner of war is subject to agreement between parties to the conflict. Magiging yung access to prisoners of war, this is governed by international law and the policies of the detaining state.
So sa pag-uusap na po yan ng Ukraine at Russia?
Yes po, yun yung ating base sa ating international law. For prisoner of war siya, it really depends on the agreement between the parties to the conflict. But nevertheless po, we requested assistance from authorities on both sides at maging sa International Committee of the Red Cross.
Mhm. So ano po ang pwedeng mangyari? Ano bang pwede natin magawa para sa kababayan nating itong si Raymond Gumangan na masagip natin siya? Kasi sa base po ba sa investigasyon na isinagawa ng ating bansa ay malinaw na naloko siya dito sa pinasukan niyang trabaho?
Well, base po dun sa kanyang sinabi sa video and also yung mga sinabi ng family members niya, merong panlilin lang na involved dun sa job offer. Kaya nga po laging pinapaalala ng DFA, ng Department of Migrant Workers at ng buong Interagency Council Against Trafficking na maging maingat sa mga overseas employment offers dahil pwede silang maging biktima ng illegal recruitment o malagay sa panganib. In the case of Mr. Gumangan, we are exploring all avenues. Kaya nga nang nasabi ko, we are coordinating with authorities on both sides and also with the Red Cross.
Mm-hmm. And so far, have we heard from them?
Wala po. This is in process and as I mentioned, this is a complicated process but we are doing this at tinututukan po natin.